If you're experiencing issues with syncing your FIFA 24 account, follow these simple steps to resolve the problem. This guide will help you troubleshoot and boost your account sync effectively. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. A weak or intermittent connection can cause syncing issues. Try restarting your router or switching to a wired connection if possible. Step 2. Restart the game. Close FIFA 24 completely and restart it. This can refresh the game and help establish a new connection to the servers, potentially resolving any sync issues. Step 3. Update the game. Make sure that FIFA 24 is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates on your gaming platform and install them, as updates often include fixes for known issues. Step 4. Clear cache. If you're playing on a console, clear the cache to remove any temporary files that might be causing the sync issue. This can usually be done by turning off the console and plugging it for a few minutes, and then restarting it. Step 5. Contact support. If the problem persists after trying the above steps, reach out to EA Sports support for assistance. Provide them with details about the issue and they can help you troubleshoot further. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your account sync issues in FIFA 24. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from the support team.